standard audio cable consists of two wires or conductors: the signal wire that predictably carries a signal, and the ground wire or shield that protects the signal from outside interference. This kind of connection is called a mono unbalanced connection. If we add an extra signal wire to this cable and use it to transfer another unrelated signal, the connection becomes a stereo unbalanced connection, like the connection you find on your headphones. If instead we use that second signal wire to transfer an inverted copy of the first signal, also referred to as inverse phase or polarity, we can create a balanced connection. If these two signals are summed or added together, they will cancel each other out because they are identical but with inverse polarity. Balanced connections use this concept to eliminate noise in a relatively simple but ingenious way. If, while traveling through the cable, the two signals had picked up noise, that noise would be identical in both signals. At the end of the cable, the receiving gear flips the second signal before summing the two together. When the polarity of the second signal is flipped back, the original signals are now back in phase, but the noise picked up by the second signal becomes inverted with respect to the noise on the first signal. When the two signals are summed, the noise in the first signal is cancelled out by the inverted noise in the second one, but the two original signals, that are now in phase, combine into a much stronger mono signal.